And for our last question, we would like to know what person has influenced you the most in your life.
Pretty normal childhood. I went to school, lived in one home, had both of my parents around, and had many of my basic survival needs met. But I did not know Jesus. My parents did not go to church or read me Bible stories or any of that. But one day I met someone who changed everything.
Is your name Colin?
Yeah.
I'm Mackenzie, and I'm your new big sister.
Oh, hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, so I was thinking for today we could go get some ice cream, and then maybe you could come to my Bible study with me.
Well, ice cream sounds fun, but what's Bible study?
You've never heard of the Bible?
Not really. I've heard it once or twice, but I don't know much.
Well, then you have to come with me.
Do I have to go?
Yes, because Jesus died for your sins. He loves you more than anyone on this earth, and everything will be explained to you. You have to come with me.
Really?
So
Yeah.
that day, Mackenzie took me to Bible study, and I learned so much about
Wow, I
Jesus.
never knew someone could do such great things for me, and I didn't even know about him.
Yeah, you should come to church this Sunday. I'm sure Mackenzie could bring you, and we'd love to see you there.
I don't know about that.
I'll pick you up at 10.
That day on, Mackenzie took me to church every Sunday that she could, which was most of the time. She talked about the Bible with me and helped me with my problems at school and at home. Mackenzie cared enough to teach me about God, and that made her important to me.
Good. Sir, has no one influenced you?
My big sister Mackenzie has. She brought me the knowledge of God and knowing how to care for people and the importance of that.
Touching me here. We'll be calling you soon to let you know if you got the job or not. Thank you. The poor and vulnerable are all around us in the world. They can be poor in many different ways, but all need to be cared for to achieve the common good. We can help everyone to participate in activities and never marginalize anyone by putting them to the side. Every person has human dignity, and to care for another is to add to that dignity.
Okay, all right.
Wow, I never knew people.
Come with me.
Really? Do I have to?
Yes, because I forgot what my line
That's
is.
fine. Just
Yeah.
From that day on, Mackenzie took me to church every Sunday that she could, which was most of the time.
Yeah, that was okay.